front of me is HOTWAV W11, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher and get this app called Launcher iOS 18 from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue. Then hit Continue one more time. Select while using the app and allow in all available pop-ups. Finally, after closing an ad, you'll be able to apply your launcher by clicking on Set as Default at the top and clicking on iOS Launcher app. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. If you want to go back to that default launcher, go back to the same app, tap on Set as Default and choose Quick Step. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!